And one of his craziest feats, it was in 2007, he ran a half marathon barefoot on ice and snow in a staggering 2 hours, 16 minutes and 34 seconds without any shoes or protective gear. What an animal! What an animal! Focus on steady breathing. Don't fight the call. You have to relax into it. Powerful for mind training and recovery. I am stronger than my excuses. I am in control. The call becomes your teacher and it sharpens you into something who don't run from discomfort, but use it to grow. Welcome to the 101% podcast, where we push limit, sharpen discipline, and unlock the best version of yourself. Today we're diving into something that will challenge your mind and body like almost nothing else. Cold exposure. Ice bath, cold shower, cold plunges. You've probably seen it online. But this isn't just hype. Science and experiences show us that stepping into the cold can change your body, mind, and life. Let me tell you about Wim Hof, a true master of the cold. And he's known worldwide as the Iceman. And one of his craziest feats, it was in 2007, he ran a half marathon barefoot on ice and snow in a staggering 2 hours, 16 minutes and 34 seconds without any shoes or protective gear. What an animal! What an animal! That's not just a record, it's a testament to the incredible power of the human mind over discomfort. And this wasn't a one-off stunt. He also held the Guinness World Record for swimming under ice, a fully 57.5 meter, while holding his breath. Amazing. He didn't stop there. He endured full body contact with ice for nearly 2 hours straight, teaching himself to maintain core body temperature with only his mind. Those aren't random feats. They are bold proof that when we train correctly, the body can adapt to the extreme. Cold isn't your enemy, it's your mentor. So, what is cold exposure? Cold therapy, intentionally exposing your body to cold, for example, ice bath, cold shower, plunges, winter swims. It's about more than recovery. It's training your nervous system, building resilience, and unlocking energy. And ancient culture use it, athletes use it, and now people everywhere are realizing how powerful it is. And the benefit of cold exposure. Mental toughness, it's to stay calm in discomfort. Stress control, it forces your nervous system to adapt, lowering overall stress response. And energy and focus, it increases the norepinephrine, a natural wake-up chemical. Reduce inflammation and faster recovery. Athletes swear by it after their workouts. And it improves circulation and immunity. It trains your cardiovascular system. Mood boost. Cold activates feel-good neurotransmitters. It fights depression. And if you are in a bad mood, take a cold shower and you will be happy. Problem solved. The cold doesn't just build your body, it builds your mind. If you can conquer the cold, you can conquer almost anything. Wim Hof once said, the cold is merciless but righteous. And he's right. The cold doesn't care about your excuse. It simply shows you where you're at, mentally and physically. So how to get started? Cold showers, that's for beginners. End your normal shower with 30 seconds of cold water. Then you can slowly increase to 1 to 3 minutes. This is good because it builds daily discipline. Then you have another one, ice bath, cold plunge. That's for intermediate. You sit down in cold water in 10 to 15 degrees or 50 to 59 Fahrenheit, for those who use that. And you do this for 2 to 3 minutes. Focus on steady breathing. Don't fight the call. You have to relax into it. Powerful for mind training and recovery. And then you have another one, nature exposure. This is for the advanced. winter swimming, or dipping into a lake, or river, or ocean. And do this carefully with safety in your mind. This builds deep connection to your body and nature. And a safety note, always start slow. Never do cold exposure alone, and don't mix it with alcohol or do it right before sleep. Remember this, discomfort is the currency of growth. That's 30 seconds of cold water isn't about the water. It's about who you become when you face it. Cold exposure is uncomfortable, but that's exactly why it works. Every time you step into the cold, you teach your body and your mind. I am stronger than my excuses. I am in control. The cold becomes your teacher, and it sharpens you into something who don't run from discomfort, but use it to growth. So your challenge this week is take one cold shower just for 30 seconds. Don't overthink it. Just turn the handle to cold and breathe. See how you feel afterwards. And if this episode inspires you, share it with someone who needs a little push to step into the cold. As Wim Hof says, the cold is a noble force. It brings you into the depth of yourself. And that's where the transformation happens. This episode was recorded on the August 23, 2025. You'll find everything you need in the show note, including the link to our website, the 101percentpodcast.com, where you can subscribe to our free weekly newsletter, learn about our premium episode, and more. And if you would like to support the show with a $2 coffee donation, every bit helps us keep going and means the world to us. We share for you, explore cold exposure, take care, and give it your best, and keep pushing for the 101%. It is important for us to get out our message so we can help as many people as possible. And we would highly appreciate it if you could take 1 minute of your time to follow us on social media and review the show on Apple Podcast and Spotify. All links are below. Our Instagram is the 101% podcast. Until next time, take care and go 101% into achieving your goals. You owe it to yourself.